Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, SuperBox just sent me their latest model, and this is the S7 Max. So in this video, we're going to unbox and test it out. Okay, so this is their S7 Max. It's an Android 12. It looks like it's 6K. Gigabyte of Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, 4 gigs plus 64 gigs. Supports 6K. It's an OTA H.265. Nothing else there. Let's put the box aside for now. Plug USB-C. Their standard remote. I do have a video on how to program these buttons. I will pull the link in the description below. HDMI. User guide. Not bad. All metal. So this is the S7 Max. Nice display. On the one side, micro SD, USB-C, and USB-A restore button. There's your DC USB-C for the plug. IR, AV, HDMI, Ethernet, and optical, and of course, 2 antennas. Got some vent holes there. And you also got some vent holes here at the bottom. Okay, besides the USB-C, I don't see anything else different on this box. Let's hook it up and see if there's any other changes. SuperBox, loading up for the first time. I'm connected to Ethernet, but if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure you check on Wi-Fi and then just connect to your Wi-Fi. Next, this is to fill in your screen. I have to go to 100%. Yours might be different, but once you're done, finish. And that's it. Okay, so as you guys can see, if you're familiar with the SuperBox, they changed their interface. It is totally different. Let's go to Settings, Device Preferences, Locations, Location Status, and let's turn this off. If I go to About, so right over here, we got the model. It is the S7 Max. The flash is 64, and the RAM is 4 gigabytes. And it is running on OS version 12. If you want to activate developer mode, head all the way down to Android TV OS build, and let's just tap on this about 7 times. And you'll get this message: you are now a developer. Okay, exit out of here. Now let's head over to App Store. App Store again. Confirm. There we go. So App Store. Okay, so here is all the apps for the SuperBox. And as you guys can see right over here, it is version 7. These are the main apps right here. Keep in mind, you want to look for the check mark. If you have a circle, that means it needs an update. Okay, so once you installed all the apps that you want, let's exit out of here. I'm just going to hit the home button on the remote control. I just want to see if they made anything different. If I click on Live TV, no. Kind of wish they set it up so that when you do go to Live TV, it automatically loads the app, like a couple of the other boxes I've tested. To add apps to the main page, there's 2 ways of doing it. We could go right here. You could add all the Live TV apps in this one section. Now just pick the apps that you want. Once you get the check marks, On the remote, we're going to hit the return button and automatically it will appear right here. Okay, I'm going to exit out of here. So that's one way of doing it. We also have this little plus here at the bottom. Same thing, check mark it. See if I can add more than one. Yep, I can. So you could add all the ones that you want to be a shortcut. Hit the return button on the remote and they're all down here now. Let's go to Blue TV. Okay, so this is different. Okay, so right away, it's showing you there's some new controls on the remote. So add, remove channels from favorites, long press OK, enter full screen, press the OK. So this is pretty good. Do get a lot of questions on this. At least now they telling you what to do. You could do remind me later or don't show this again. So I'm just gonna hit don't show this again. Okay, so off the bat, I don't see much different here. Go to the side. Okay, so they did add a couple more categories here. Not many, looks like one or two more. What I did notice is they did add a lot more time shifting channels. Okay, since we're in here, I want to try the mic on the remote. That's right, I forgot we need to program it. Okay, so we're going to press the OK and the return button at the same time. We're going to wait for that light to turn on. There, the light's blinking. Search completed. Press OK. And now my remote is paired. Now let's try the mic. Sports. Instantly, you know what? I never had problems with the mic with the SuperBox. Okay, I'm going to exit out of here. Let's try the VOD. Once again, this is changed as well. Okay, loads right into it. I don't see anything different here. Actually, since we're in here, let's try the mic as well. Big Bang Theory. Yeah, it loads up right away. Okay, let's exit out of here. So if some of you guys do have the older models of the SuperBox, and if you're wondering what this one is, the Blue Sports, chances are it is available for your box. Head over to the App Store. Chances are you will find this app in there. It's pretty much a backup. It does have a lot of sports channels, but it also has regular channels as well. And over here is our playback, which is great. If you missed the show, just head over here. Chances are you'll find it. And Backup TV is your backup app. It's got your TV shows, movies, everything built into it. Just grab my USB and let's run some tests on here. See the top corner? My flash drive just popped up. Okay, we're already by settings, so let's go over one to the folder. Press OK. Here's the USB. Okay, I'm going to head over to my demo. Just going to try the last one, this one here. So it looks like they're using the TVD video player as the player. So I'm going to hit allow. All right, so it's working pretty well. No buffering. Really nice picture. Okay, exit out here. So I want to try one more. Keep in mind, guys, these are all 4K videos, not 6K. I don't have any 6K to test this out. This is working pretty good for 4K. Exit out of here. All right, that's not bad at all. Here at the bottom, the one next to the file, this is a brush. So every so often, you guys should be coming here and pressing the OK button. And what it does, it's going to clear out your memory. Okay, so that's freed up. This is for a speed test. The garbage can is if you want to delete any of these apps. The mic is the same button on the remote control. So if you click on it, it's just going to pair your remote. As you guys can see there, mine is already connected. This icon right here, like a keyboard. So these are quick add-ons. So you know the numbers 1290 right here on your remote? That will be quick buttons. So if you hit the add button, you could do Blue TV. So all you have to do is press that number 1 and automatically Blue TV will load up for you. It's a shortcut, which is a really cool feature. And the last icon we have here, This is for your customer service. So if you're having issues with the box, you could do it here. So there you guys have it. This is the all-new S7 Max. They have changed a few things on it, not much. I do like the look. I don't know if it is because of the new software that's in the box, but it is definitely faster than their previous models. But anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link in the description with a discount code. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.